is Jennifer Lawrence, and I'm with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Network Realty. Welcome to my virtual open house. I'm here showing you 2456 Den Street, located inside the King and Bear subdivision in Royal Gulf Village. This home boasts 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 4,400 square feet, and is currently listed at $889,000. Let's go look inside. Welcome in. You have a seating area in the center. To the right, you have a formal dining room. You've got 90-degree pocket doors that can slide in and out at your leisure. You have a saltwater pool with a fire pit and a jacuzzi. We have an eating nook to your right with an outdoor kitchen. That leads in to your living space with another set of pocket doors if you would like to live inside and out. You have a gas fireplace and then a gourmet kitchen. You have a gourmet kitchen with a Viking cooktop, 2 Bosch panel dishwashers located on either side of the sink. You have a panel refrigerator. Can't you see yourself eating in here? Off the kitchen is also a butler's pantry, complete with a wine cooler. Then you have your laundry facilities, which has cabinetry and a sink. And then we go into our guest bedroom. Off the guest bedroom, you've also got its own bathroom. Off the butler's pantry, back into the living space, you have an office. Entering into the master suite, you also have a powder room off to the left. We enter into the master suite on the first floor. Come inside. You also have sliding doors out to the pool. You've got beautiful windows above the bed, and even your own private nook outside by the pool. Welcome to your master bathroom. You have a whirlpool tub, a walk-in shower, his and her sinks, his and her custom closets. Your final look of downstairs. Now, let's go upstairs. Upstairs, we have 3 additional bedrooms, along with a bonus room and a balcony. The balcony overlooks the lake and the golf course. First bedroom upstairs. This one has its own private bathroom with a walk-in shower. Off the bedrooms, you have your own private coffee nook. That leads into the bonus room. And the 2 bedrooms. The bonus room, you also have a 3rd bedroom, complete with a walk-in closet. And your last and final 5th bedroom. Also complete with a walk-in closet. If you like what you see, call me. I'd be happy to answer more questions for you or give you a private showing.